Hello, everybody. This is Tony Shaw of Shaw Photography Group. I'm located in Greensboro, North Carolina, and I am doing just small tidbits of shortcuts and little examples that I may find and figure out, and I'm just passing this along to you. This one is going to take just a short period of time. I'm not going to do really any hard editing. I just want to show you what I have discovered. Some of you may know already. So as you can see here to your right, you have a background layer. I'm going to do for my windows a Control J to duplicate that layer. All right. And then once I do the Control J, once you do the Control J, I need you to go to your right to Properties. We're going to change the background, get rid of our background this way, okay? So you have to do this first. Then you'll scroll down and you'll see Remove Background. We're going to select Remove Background and we're going to let it work for a second. As you can tell, it will take a second. It's analyzing the entire picture, so it does take a little bit. And once it finishes what it's going to do, I'm just going to show you a couple of things. But after that, that's pretty much it. Just want to show you that you can go to Properties and then to your Remove Background. You can also, at the bottom of that, as you can tell, you can select your subject. So there's that right there. So see, it's selecting the subject right now. Okay. Now, here's the thing. You won't be able to see it for those of you who are new in photography, Photoshop. Uh, when it finishes selecting, you're not going to see any changes. Okay, so don't let that scare you. Don't panic. You're going to see a mask appear. And the masks are very important. This is how you do a lot of your simple editing. Okay, so now it's getting ready to start doing the mask here. All right, let's do this. Let's change the color of the background so you can kind of see how you do that. We're going to go to Layers. We're going to go to New Fill. We're going to go to Solid Color. I'm going to hit OK. All right, we have somewhat of a grayish tone. Let's do something completely different. Let's do something that you can see. Just for the fun of it, let's do that pink. We're going to click that pink. Now you can't see your client, right? The subject. So you're going to come back over here to your right and literally just drag this layer in between the two. And there you go. Now this is very very flat. There are no shadows, anything like that. But the goal for this was to show you how you can cut out your subject. And if you have any questions, you can contact me at shawtechnology@gmail.com. You can also contact me at service@shawphotographygroup.com. And you can contact me at Shaw Photography Group via Facebook. Thanks a lot.